Damn, that shit is beautiful. What's happening, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well. So today is something a little bit different for you guys. I will be paying it forward and I will be doing an install on my boy Derek's car. As you can see, it's a carbon fiber piece right here. So this video is sponsored by one of my sponsors, GoGoCarbon. Check them out. They have an awesome Amazon store. Just type in GoGoCarbon in the search bar. And this product right here is the front inner door handle cover for the 08 to 14 Impreza Wrx STI. Derek's car happens to be a 13 and that boy got lucky. But anyway, look how beautiful this product is. Look at the weave on this thing. Wow. Now on the back of it, there's very, very thin 3M or double-sided tape on both sides. So all you're really gonna need is something just to pick the backs of the tape off. But this should be a very, very, very simple install. As I said, overlay type install. And guys, this product is usually, I think, $129 on Amazon. Right now they have a 5% code on their site. And if you have Prime, I'll put something up on the side real quick. If you have Prime, you can get it usually either next day or the next 2 days. And you get 5% off. If you use my code WickedWhips10 on Instagram, if you DM them, use the code on Instagram, you get 10% off. So if you don't mind waiting a couple extra days, you can get the 10% off. Or if you have Prime and you want it right now, you can get 5% off on Amazon. They have 5% off on it right now. So definitely check that out. And they do have a lot of products for the 08 to 14 WRX STIs. So definitely, guys, in that year range, check it out. All right, so my boy Derek should be here soon. He's coming all the way from the Bronx, and guess what, you guys will get to see his car. His car was just built by the shop Hulk is at right now, Prime Motoring. That's all the way in Jersey. As I said, Derek is coming from the Bronx, so it's pretty far, and that's why it's so early. Like, this is the last day in July, and guys, it was cold last night. It is cold, a little bit cold this morning, so we're approaching those fall months, which I do not like. But anyway, guys, I'll talk to you guys soon. All right, guys, there he comes. There he comes. With the slowest car ever. And the hat. All right, fam, this is Derek's car right here. It's a 13, right, Derek?
Yeah.
It's a 13 STI, pretty nice shape, and this is daily. And don't forget, gentlemen, any single guys out there, that's my boy. No, I'm just playing. But look at this beautiful build right here. And it still looks clean, even though it's a little bit dirty, but look at this beautiful build, Prime built right here. Damn. Look at that turbo, ladies. But anyway, well, it's a beautiful ride. 725 at the wheels, a lot of torque as well. It's really, really nice. Very, very fortunate young man here to build something like this. This is something most people dream of, so this is beautiful. So anyway, let's get down to this install. I'll see you guys. All right, guys, so this is inside the car, and as I told you guys before, make sure you clean down the surface. We just did, so everything is nice and clean. No fingerprints, no grease, nothing like that. And as I said before, all you need is a tool like this, where you're literally picking up the back piece of the 3M double-sided tape, and then once you're done with that, make sure, and obviously guys, if you want, test fit it first, but I already did that, as you guys know. I'm OCD like that, and it's a perfect fit. So once you guys are finished peeling off the tape, you can literally just put this in just like that without even worrying. Like from my fuel cap video, that was a little difficult to do just because of how everything is situated, how the tape is situated. But this is pretty simple, all right? So let me show you guys how to do this real quick. All right, guys, so the install is complete. As I said, this is really simple. It's just a quick overlay. Just make sure, as I said, you size up the product first. This thing is a perfect fit. Even with the notches back here, it was a perfect fit. That shit is beautiful. That is very beautiful. Once again, as I said, guys, you know what to do. Definitely like, subscribe, comment. Check out GoGoCarbon on Amazon. As I told you guys before, they got a 5% coupon on this product right now on Amazon. And if you have Prime, I can literally get this next day, literally tomorrow. Today's Saturday, I can get it on Sunday. If you don't mind waiting, you can use my code WickedWhips10 for 10% off, and it'll take a couple extra days from wherever they're shipping it from. But look at this piece, look at the weave. Derek, you happy? Look at this guy.
Happy.
This guy's, all of a sudden he's camera shy over here.
I'm not camera shy.
All right.
Not
But
mad.
anyway, guys, you know what to do. It's a beautiful piece. Check out the driver's side. Damn, that shit is tough. That is beautiful. Another dope piece from GoGoCarbon. As I said, this is for the 08 to 14 Impreza Wrx STI. Look at that beautiful weave. But anyway, guys, that's my time. I'll just put up a couple pics after this vid, and I will talk to y'all soon. Take it easy.